Basuki Abdullah was a permanent Indonesian artist known for his realistic portraits and landscapes. He was born on November 17, 1915, in Sukarta, Central Java, Indonesia, during the Dutch colonial era. Basuki Abdullah came from a family of painters. His father was Abdullah, a famous painter in his time, and his uncle was the renowned artist Afandi. Growing up, Basuki Abdullah was exposed to art from an early age and was encouraged by his family to pursue his passion. He started his formal art education at the age of 13 when he was enrolled at the Academia Boer Beldend Constant in the Hague, Netherlands. After returning to Indonesia, he continued his studies at the Bandung Institute of Technology (IB, ITB) and graduated in 1940. Basuki Abdullah early work were heavily influenced by his father's style, which focused on romanticism and idealism. However, he later developed his own unique style that was characterized by realism and attention to detail. He was particularly skilled in painting portraits, and many of his work captured the expressions and personalities of his subjects. In addition, his portraits, Basuki Abdullah was also known for his landscapes. His paintings often depicts the natural beauty of Indonesia, including his mountains, rivers, and forests. His use of color and light gave his landscapes a sense of depth and realism that made themes seem almost lifelike. Basuki Abdullah's talent as an artist was recognized early on in his career. He won numerous awards and accolades throughout his life, including the Cultural Award from the Indonesian government in 1957 and the Bintang Mahaputra Utama Award in 1992. Despite his success, Basuki Abdullah remained humble and dedicated to his craft. He continued to paint until the end of his life, even after suffering a stroke in 1992. He passed away on June 5th, 1993, at the age of 77, leaving behind a legacy as one of the Indonesia's greatest artists. Today, Basuki Abdullah's work can be found in museums and private collections around the world. His painting continue to inspire and captivate audience with their realism, beauty, and attention to detail. His legacy as an artist and a pioneer of Indonesian modern art will continue to live on for generations to come.